Salsa con Son, pa' mis amigos.
Hi, my name is Joshua from Salsa con Son, and I would like to invite you to the Rio Grande Valley Latin Dance Festival. Salsa con Son started as a small website devoted to bringing information about the Latin dance world and incredible videos. We have grown and now we're covering international congresses, doing event promotion, teaching, performing, and organizing events. This year we want to go big. We want to bring some of the best Latin dancers from the world to the Valley to provide an event like no other. We'll bring some of the best instructors from New York, Oaxaca, Los Angeles, Monterrey, and more. Subscribe to our YouTube channel to see the promo videos of each of these amazing instructors that we're bringing. This event will take place from September 30th to October 2nd in McAllen, Texas. We're working with local dance studios and major promoters of the Latin dance scene to bring you this event. For more information and to purchase your ticket, visit salsaconson.com/RGB Latin Dance Festival. We look forward to dancing with you.